TedHair.
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 TedHair. TedHair.
The 24-inch deep curl Swiss lace wig. You can see it comes with 3 clips. I don't know. And it's really full. For all the natural hair girls out here, you guys come shop here at TedHair in Houston. I just bought my sample kit, so we're gonna go test it out and try it out.
The hair is beautiful. It is very beautiful to the touch. I've actually worked with them before a few years ago, so I know that this hair is great quality. Hi guys, I just recently purchased 2 wigs from TedHair. Make sure you guys come down and shop with them. I'm at the Houston location. This is their HD. This is their HD wig. This is 20 inches, and this is their 613 lace frontal 13 by 5 body wave wig. Make sure you guys come shop.
It's really soft. The quality is good. The bundles are thick. I think you should give TedHair a try because it's profitable.
Good hair. The owner is nice. She'll work with you, and it's great. Okay? I love it. And also, you can look at my hair and my head. It's also TedHair.
I would recommend TedHair to anyone because they have the best quality hair. It lasts for a long time and it looks really good. So come on down to TedHair and use them for all of your vendor needs or just your personal needs. Whatever you need them for, they're here and they have the best quality hair.